All right, so here I am getting ready to install the beam. Hello everyone, so this is Willie. I want to invite you to come and visit me on my channel. I am going to start making videos like this a lot more often, and I want to try to build up my community. I hope that you may subscribe to my channel, which you can click in the link over there. And I hope that I can be able to add value into your lives. And may you also, give me back comments and let me know what you think about things. And so thank you for visiting me, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.